We are currently right in the midst of one of the biggest battles our President Obama is taking on, and that is to look to provide health care for everyone in this country, quality health care for everyone. As everyone knew would happen when the large corporate interests start getting shook, that they may not make the obscene profits they've made off of people through health care. As this is now getting threatened through the option of public health care plan that would be an option so that everyone would be covered. As this is happening right now, those insurance companies have started fighting back with everything they've got. They're spending millions and millions of dollars on putting misinformation out on television to try to scare Americans into not wanting the health care for all option, the public health care option. Just to make a few points if you don't know. What President Obama is putting forward is not that everyone would be on a public health care plan. If you like the plan you're on, you could keep it. You can keep your doctors, the plan, everything. But that there would be a public health care option that you could choose for less money, likely, where you still are choosing doctors and hospitals, but that would cover everyone. And one of the ways it would do that is by reducing the administrative costs by about 30%. Just the paperwork is ridiculous. 30% of everything we pay in healthcare goes to administration and to large profits for insurance companies, for pharmaceuticals, for all kinds of areas that we actually don't benefit from. Do you know we spend 10 times more in this country for healthcare than the next country down in the world spends on it? And we are number 18 from the top in terms of quality of health care delivered. Something's really wrong. So, right now, we the people have got to act. Those of us who understand that we want everyone to have quality health care, we want it to be given in the right way so people without insurance don't show up in emergency rooms because they have nowhere else to go and they've waited till they're really sick, and they actually cost the system a lot more money that way than if they were getting preventative quality care at an amount that they can afford. So we have got to act. And talking about it is not enough, because we have got to come up with the truth of information and get it out in the media to balance out the misinformation that the huge corporate interests are putting out there, which means money. We have to be contributing the money that will make a difference so your average American person will get the real information. We have at our disposal now what we've never had before, and that is organizations that actually represent conscious people, conscious citizens who want the best on all fronts. There's an organization called MoveOn.org, MoveOn.org, that lets all people contribute $25 here and there, or obviously a lot more if you can, and they put together an ad campaign to try to get the truth and facts out there to people to counteract the misinformation that corporate interests are putting out there. We can't just talk about it. We have to make sure it happens. That is how Barack Obama got elected, by tons of little people, meaning financially little people, putting in their $25 at a time, their $50, their $100, adding it all up to where he had campaign funds that got him into office. He had bigger campaign funds by far than the heavily funded old money people like Hillary Clinton did. That same organism that got him elected can also get other things changed by us getting the information and the word out about how we've been lied to and continue to be lied to by these groups that are just after their own profits. So I am greatly encouraging everyone. I have contributed, you contribute, that we have the lobby, we have the advertising, we have the information out there to get us the health care for all that we all should have, by rights should have, as being citizens and being people who live in this country. Please do go give not only your verbal support, but give your financial support so that the truth and justice for this country can come about. Thank you so much.